This week's video is a bonsai. I'll be cleaning up this tree. I'm still quite new to learning bonsai things. This is just me exploring.
Clean these little branch spaces up so I can see what's happening.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut the edge of this pot down and start scraping away some of the soil to get access to the root base, see what that looks like. Get rid of all the loose dirt off the top.
Let's scrape around in here. Screwdriver. Hard a little.
Ooh, I'm starting to see some of that base come through. I might cut some of the smaller surface roots out, just to allow me to get to the dirt underneath. Rightio, I think it's time to go down there. That bit there is a nice bit of a trunk. So I've got a nice little root flare at the base of the trunk. I think it's really going to look nice. Okie dokie. We've got rocks and a drainage system. Now, that's going to sit in there. So this gorgeous piece of timber is going to sit in there, thinking like so. That went in there like that. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. I'm thinking that direction there, to the front. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. I think that is the approximate feel of what we're going for currently. These are just a few points of interest from the backyard. Went around with a paint scraper and picked up some nice greenery looking things. Ooh, wow. Almost like that one was built for there. That's really nice.